Endangered animals. A species is considered endangered, whether plant or animal, when all the living members of that species are in danger of disappearing. But first of all, speaking about the endangered status are a very significant reduction in the population, a continuing decline, and a severely shrinking geographic range. In this case, I am going to talk about the endangered animals. Experts estimate that the extinction rate of animal species today is between 1,000 and 10,000 times higher than the natural extinction rate. So, what are the causes of the endangered species? There are so many reasons that let the species become endangered, like the destruction of habitats, hunting, fishing, pollution, invasive species, low birth of rate, etc. But biologists have recognized that multiple forces that mix with human activity reinforce each other to cause a species to disappear little by little. So, in conclusion, we can say that the main cause of this problem is the human impact. Why? Because humans are the ones that fish, that hunt, and make pollution every day. Also, because we are the ones who cut down trees every day and that way destroying some animals' habitat. In my case, I think that the most harmful causes are pollution and destruction of habitats, because the causes are the ones that develop all the time. Pollution because the Industrial Revolution and our increased need of consumption has led to many different ways of contamination, like water and air pollution, and animals won't be able to adapt to higher levels to contamination, so that cause that they die. And destruction of habitats because humanity expands its infrastructure in order to create more settlements or extract some materials of the ground. And that's why animals have to look for other habitats. This problem also have many effects as biodiversity and chain reactions, diseases, loss of medical sources, and economic effects. Why? Because animals often are popular attraction for tourists. So if we don't have animals, the tourists won't come. Now, talking about solutions, there are a lot, but I think that the helpful ones and the better ones are avoid plastic products because large amounts of plastic end up in oceans which harm sea animals and their habitat. We should consider using fabric bags instead of plastic bags, and it will help a lot. Also, other solution that we can make is not buying products from endangered species. We should avoid this because endangered animals and the animals often have to die because of that. An example of this is the killing of elephants just for their ivory. In conclusion, I think that all the responsibility of this problem goes to the humans because all the causes I already mentioned are related to us, and if we don't stop, we will end up with a world with no animals. Because it is estimated that today 50% of the world's species are at risk of extinction.